guess what? You know who came in today? This. I have 20 minutes to do this before I have to go to work, so let's speed it up. I have some detail stuff. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie. I bought this palette for these two shades. Originally just this one, and then I saw how pretty this one is, so I just bought it for these two. So, let me show you guys a little quick zoom up so I can swatch them for you guys, because I wanted to swatch them the moment I got them. Okay, let's see. So, let's start off with the outer packaging because it's beautiful. Okay, so this is what we got. Pat Mcgrath Mothership 9 HUETOPIAN Dream Artistry Palette. Look how beautiful that box is. It's like got golden writing on it. Beautiful. Looks like the Divine Rose Evolution. And then here we got the back for all my ingredient lovers. It's kind of hard to read though, with the light hitting it. So there are pressed pigments in here. You can pause it to Google anything if you need. Alright, so now that that's done with, let's get into the palette. They all look like this. They got this embossed, and then they got this in the back. Beautiful. Stunning. Let's open the sucker. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. I like to do these kind of blurry zoom-ins because then you see all the little shimmers in there. These are crazy, the shifts in these. This shade, can you believe that I paid over $100 for that one shade? Look at the reflectivity of it. And that one too, that's crazy. Look, you want to see some magic? Look at the mirror. These are like what in the world? This is red in the pan, but then you look in there and it shifts gold to green. Let's see. And then this shade, this is straight blue purple, and then you look in the mirror and then it's a hot fiery pink. These are crazy. So beautiful. Okay, let's get into the swatches now. Okay, so this palette retails for $125, but if you use the code DREAM10, it saves you 10%. So it's $112. And then the packaging is a heavy lacquer black box essentially with a gold plated back, and it's hardcore. It's really heavy for a palette. Anyways, the total weight of the product you get is 12.9 grams or 0.45 ounces. It has a suggested shelf life of 18 months, and it's made in Italy. This one has a lot of dimension because it has 3 mattes, 1 shimmer, 2 metallics, 1 trichrome, 2 duochrome sparkles, and 1 metallic glimmer, which I think it's metallic, but it's got a little more sparkle in it. Just crazy. Alright, so let's put it on my eyeballs. I'm going to prime with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I've been using this Tati Beauty Blendable a lot, and it's coming in pretty clutch, not gonna lie. And then I'll just tap that brown. I'm so excited to play with that purple shade. A part of me wants to use like one dry and one wet, but I think I'm just gonna do 2 different looks using probably all the eyeshadows. And then for like the purple one, it's gonna be like mega purple. Well, I gotta hurry up. I only got 10 minutes. Alright. So let's get crazy from the beginning. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe 456 brush, and then I usually just clean off my brush in one of these little color switches. I got mine at the dollar store. Just go there, save your money, and then yeah. Let's hop into. I don't know how people hold this like in a video. Let's just go in crazy, and then let's do that plum noir shade, the deepest shade, and I'm basically just gonna pack that all over. I feel like since Pat Mcgrath is very high fashion editorial, that's just what we're gonna do, you know? Oh, another thing is that people were pissed because it wasn't like a rainbow palette. I agree, I was also pissed. I love me a rainbow palette. Something about them just like really drives me, and I kind of wish she did that, but she didn't. I mean, if you think about it, I feel like she included every color in the rainbow in here. We have blue, pink, purple, green. I don't know if I consider that orange. It's like pink as well. We got yellow, we got green, we got red. I don't know. I feel like she got a lot of color in here for like it not looking like there's a lot of color. We're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm gonna go into that like super bright coral shade. What is it? This one right here? Dude, I don't know where my card went, and I'm kind of pissed. Whatever. I don't got time for this. And then I'm gonna use the same brush just because why not? And then what I'm gonna do is kind of like put that here. A part of me feels like this is where the multi-chrome is gonna go, but we'll see. I want to do something extra crazy. Well, you know what? I'm gonna see if that multi-chrome is gonna show up if I put it on top of this, the plum noir shade. So I'm actually gonna grab the multi-chrome on a Morphe 166 brush, and then, dude, I forgot to tell you guys, but all these like metallic shades, metallic, not the glitter shades. The metallic shades are very creamy. It felt like I was like sticking my finger in butter. Not even joking. Oh, it looks kind of cool actually. Dude, that shade is like crazy. Like, what did she put in there? I only got 6 minutes. I feel like I'm on one of those like cooking shows on TV where you have to like rush to finish. I'm like, let's go in with. I think this is Cosmic Bloom. It's like the pinky shade next to. I want to put that like. Kind of ugly, but we'll make it work. Is that not what high fashion is? Ugly? But it's kind of crazy because that multi-chrome like kind of looks like it's on fire a little bit when it's on top of that like dark matte shade. I want to do something like crazy. You know what? Let's just go balls to the wall. I'm gonna grab that same brush, but I want to see that purple. So the way to work with these three, because they are the baked powder formula, you're gonna wanna, if you want like maximum shine, you're gonna use like something wet, like water, but I recommend something with glycerin in it because it's a little stickier. So I'm gonna use MAC Fix Plus on the back of my hand, and then I'll kind of like soak my brush in there. If you just dip your brush in there, it kind of like drinks it up. Kind of weird. I'm gonna go into this shade. The only thing though is that be careful because it starts to destroy your shadow. I actually don't even know if it's picking it up. What the heck? We're just gonna slap that all over this one. Wow, that's kind of sad. Maybe if I spray the pan. I don't know if that's working as I thought it would work. I don't think I like that. I have to hurry up. I only have 2 minutes. What the heck is happening? I'm gonna go with my finger to see. Heck yeah. That is what I want right there. That's crazy. Oh my god. Dude, that's like ridiculous. How beautiful that is. This is the kind of look that I would wear to Costco. Dude, this shade? Oh my god. And then like a wing. Let me do a wing really quick. There's just something so magical about this shade, you know? Are you kidding me? That is the epitome of high fashion. Dude, that shit is crazy. Oh my god, I need to swatch this right now. Not gonna lie. I think buying the shade for that one shade was honestly worth it. This shade kind of looks like it's on fire, and I kind of love it. Like this ashy shade. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Dude, just like, I love anything with like a blue shimmer in it because it just makes your eyelids look like wet. Like think of like someone walked into the room and then they have like this on their lid, and they just like they just like look around and then it's like, it's literally like a laser in your eye. Okay, I gotta wrap it up because I'm gonna be late for work. There were some final thoughts that I had. Yes. So some like tips and tricks for when you're working with a Mothership palette is this will always, these palettes like singularly are great to travel with. They're kind of expensive. So this one will always be your highlight shade. She's been adding a lot of pinks, which actually this one makes like, these make really good blushes. Be careful though. And then these like metallic shades, easy throw on the lids, done. A wing if you want, like that's what I did. These are like if you want extra sparkle, you want to put something in your corner, you want a crazy highlighter if you're going to a club, there you go. This one will always be a deep shade that you can put like as a liner, or you essentially can do anything with a dark shade. to like line the eye, darken the outer V. Okay, not fill in the brows, but yeah, there's just so much versatility in like her palettes. Like, there's only 10 shades, but you can do so much with 10 shades if you know how to use them correctly. I always recommend like wetting these if you want like ultimate kapow, but yeah, guys. Something else that I wanted to mention. Let me swatch it really quick. God, I'm really gonna be late. Okay, so this is that one. I don't know what it's called. It's like that Venusian Orchid, whatever. Okay, so that shade reminds me a lot of the Barb shade from the Amarizi, which is funny because I only bought it for that one shade. Which is this one. It's like a pink to green right here. Let's see. The formula is different, but they're actually like pretty different. It's like, this is like the evolved version. Dude, that's just like ridiculous. The light won't even let me like look at the freaking shade. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. You put this on your eyes and you're gonna blind anyone. I'd wear it as a highlighter too. Okay guys, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.